Hi, today we're going to look at 3 linking sounds, r, w and y. Learning how to use these will help you speak more quickly by avoiding gaps between words, sound more like a native speaker, and help your listening skills when you're having conversations with other fast or native English speakers. First of all, I'll show you how to use each of these linking sounds. Then you'll practice them all by having a conversation with the UK's emergency services. So don't be shy, you're going to have an exciting conversation at the end. So come with me. Let's start by looking at linking r. Oh, by the way, for a more in-depth look at linking r, see my video here. I'm going to show you how you can pronounce r at the end of a word when the next word begins with a vowel. First, I'll say a phrase without linking, then I'll say it with the linking. Then you say it with the linking. Watch, listen, and repeat. My sister is very ill. My sister is very ill. There isn't anyone available. There isn't anyone available. They're all busy. They're all busy. I've been waiting since 4 o'clock. I've been waiting since 4 o'clock. Is there anyone else? Is there anyone else? I phoned an hour ago. I phoned an hour ago. They're on their way. They're on their way. Now let's look at linking y, as in the word yes. If you want a more in-depth look at linking y, see my video here. As before, first I'll say a phrase without linking, then I'll say it with the linking. Then you say it with the linking. Watch, listen, and repeat. Make sure she is warm. Make sure she is warm. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. For a day or so. For a day or so. Stay on the phone. Stay on the phone. That's very interesting. That's very interesting. It's lovely in the sun. It's lovely in the sun. Okay, now we're going to look at linking w. If you want a more in-depth look at linking w, see my video here. So, when linking vowels oo, o and ow to a following vowel sound, we can use linking w. The format is the same as before, so watch, listen and repeat. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. She can't do anything. She can't do anything. I don't know anyone. I don't know anyone. I've gone through it all. I've gone through it all. How old is she? How old is she? I'm so afraid. I'm so afraid. From now on. From now on. How was that? Okay? Good. So now let's put them all together for you in a practice conversation. This is a phone call between you and the emergency services. To start with, I'll be the emergency operator. So I'll say the first line and then you'll say the next line. Then we'll swap over and you can be the emergency operator. Ready? Here goes. Emergency services, Liz speaking. What's the problem? What's wrong? How old is she? Oh dear. Well, I'm sorry about that, but they're all busy. There really isn't one available right now. Does she take any medication? Does she live with you or on her own? Okay. Can you look through all her things and see if you can find some medication? Okay, stay on the phone. Just make sure she is warm. Ah, the ambulance team are now on their way. They'll be with you in 5 minutes. Now we swap roles and you are the emergency operator. You'll say the first line and then I'll say the following line. Hello, I need an ambulance now. My sister is very ill. She can't move. She can't do anything. She isn't very old. She's only 18. It was her birthday only yesterday. Look, I've been waiting for an ambulance since 4 o'clock, and that was an hour ago. I'm so afraid. I don't know what to do. Is there anything I can do? I don't know. I don't know anything. On her own. Yes, okay. Look, I'm really afraid. Okay. How was that? I hope it helps. But you know my motto, if at first you don't succeed, try, try, try again. Oh, did you notice the linking yeah? Of course you did. See you next time. Love and peace.